All right, today we're going to go over finding area, finding perimeter, angles, and slope. Kind of the big ideas from the first week here. So area, if we have a shape, let's just say a rectangle for now, area is what's inside. So how much is inside? So let's say this is a 3 by 5. That means it would be 3 going up and 5 across. Square units. So area is measured in square units. Like you were drawing squares in it. So there's 5 squares going across, 3 squares going up. So you can simply count the number of squares to get 15 square units. Or for a rectangle, you can take 5 times 3 to get your 15 square units. As we go along in the course, other shapes are going to have different formulas you can use to find the area. Perimeter, say we have that same rectangle. Perimeter, instead of the area inside, it's the length around the shape. So to get it, you take all the sides. So 5 plus 3 plus, now for rectangle, that side's also 5, and this side's 3. 8 plus 8, and it's 16 units going around. So all the way around, if it were like a fence, is 16. That's perimeter. Angles. There is some angles that we should know. The first one, when there's a box in the corner like this, that angle is 90 degrees. So like any corner of a room is 90 degrees. If we have a line from there to there, so this was 90 degrees from there to there to there is 2 90 degrees, so it's 180 degrees. If we start here, go all the way around to form a circle, that's double a line, so that's 360 degrees. Now some of the problems in your homework are going to give you some different angles, maybe like this, or like this. And for now, we're just going to estimate what those angles are. So this one, the first one, is a little less than 90 degrees. You know 90 degrees is straight up. So this one is maybe like 70 degrees. So just go a little less. For now, we're just estimating. All we ask is that you're close. This one, 90 degrees is from there to there, 180. So it's somewhere in between 90 and 180, maybe like 150 degrees. So that's kind of what we're asking for angles right now. Slope of something. The first thing when doing slope, if we have a line, is determining if it's positive slope or negative. So positive means it's going up as you go to the right, and negative slope is going down as you go to the right. So think of climbing as you go or going down. To find the slope, we're going to use slope triangles. So slope triangles, we start at the left point. We either go up or down. So in this case, I got to go up to the other point and over. So let's say we went up 8 units and over 5 units. The slope is rise over run. The variable we use for slope a lot of times is m. So the rise is how far you go up and down. So that's 8. The run is left and right. So that's 5. So your slope for that one would be 8/5. Now this one, if we start on the left, we have to go down to get to the point over here. So let's say we go down, that's a negative direction. We went down maybe 4 units. And we went over 5 units. So that slope is going to be negative 4/5. Rise over run. Up to the right is positive slope, down to the right is negative, and you just count how many units on a graph paper of where it goes.